Hey guys, so today I've got a box to show you that I haven't had in quite a while, and that is a Fright crate box. So as you can see on the front here, this is the February crate. For anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, this is an American box. They do two different ones. They do a $20 box and a $30 box. This is the $30 box. Obviously I'm in the UK, so to get it shipped over here, it costs roughly about £43 altogether, so for the item and for the shipping. If you can hear stuff outside, it's because it's sunny today and everybody seems to be out in the garden like having barbecues and kids are screaming and stuff, so please ignore all the background noise. But we are just gonna open this. So the themes for this month, which like I said is February, is kind of a bit of a Valentine's sort of theme box. They were The Crow, Bride of Chucky, Mars Attacks, Cupid, and Chopping Mall, which was the mystery theme. So you always, well, pretty much always get a t-shirt in Fright crate, and the theme for the t-shirt this month was the Bride of Chucky item. So it's a black t-shirt with this Chucky and Tiffany heart design. I actually do really like this. Weirdly, I ordered it in a small for some reason. I'm definitely not a small, so I'll probably end up cutting this up and maybe using it as like a back patch on a jacket or something. But yeah, I do actually really like that. So that is the first item that we got. Then next is the Chopping Mall item. Now, it's not a film that I have ever seen personally, and I kind of think this is a bit of a small sort of, not, I don't want to say rubbish, but it's just a small kind of silly item for such an expensive box. But it's just this little metal keyring. It's really well made, like I really like it and everything, but it just seems really small for a main item. But that is our keyring. Then next we have the Mars Attacks item, and this is one of the Serial Resin Co pieces that they make, and it is a really bright fluorescent looking fridge magnet. Mars Attacks isn't one of my films that I'm really that interested in, but I think this is really cool. It's super well made. Definitely the best looking item in the box, I would say, personally. My boyfriend really likes Mars Attacks, so he is going to get this. But yeah, definitely quite a cool looking item. So there is that. Then we have our pin for the month. You always get a pin, and this is the Cupid item. It does say Valentine on it. I'm not sure if the theme is supposed to be Valentine or Cupid with this one, but this is what the pin looks like. I have no idea what that is. Not a film that I've ever seen. I've never even heard of it, so yeah, I'm not sure about that, but that's our pin anyway. And then we only have one item left, which is the Crow item. The whole reason I bought the box was for this, because if you watch my channel usually, you will know that The Crow and The Craft are my two absolute favourite films. So if any boxes say that they're getting those items, I will probably buy it. So I got this for this item, and it's okay, but I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about his face. So we've got a little like Brandon Lee Serial Resin Co bust. It's quite a nice size, and it is quite, you know, well made and stuff, but there's just always something about the faces of these that they make that just doesn't look quite right. I'm not sure if it's the neck, like how wide the neck always looks. I feel like maybe if more of this was coloured in black with hair, that might look a little more normal. But the necks always seem to be like wider than the face, which, I don't know, a little weird, but still very, very well made. And I probably will keep it. Sometimes I do get rid of things from the boxes if I don't absolutely love them, but I think I probably will keep him. Maybe paint a little extra black around here, like I said, to sort of slim that out a little. I'm not too sure. You'll have to let me know what you think looks weird about this. Is it the neck area or is it something else? I just can't really think. But from a distance, he's pretty cool. So that is the Crow item, and that was everything in the February Fright crate. So seemed a little empty. That's why I don't really get them anymore, because it just doesn't seem like you get enough for your money to the UK. I'm sure when you're buying it in America and it's $30, it seems really worth it, because $30 is like a lot less when I spend about $30 on shipping it here. But in the UK it just doesn't really seem worth it a lot of the time. So I will get it now and again. I know a lot of you really love this box when I do get it. It's just a lot of money for me. So I will quickly go over everything again so you can see it all at once. So there was the Valentine Cupid pin, the Chopping Mall keyring, the Mars Attacks fridge magnet, the Bride of Chucky t-shirt, put it over my arm, and the Brandon Lee Crow bust. So all of these items in the February Fright crate. I will put all the info down below for them in case you want to go and check them out. The boxes go on sale on the 1st of every month, and they do usually sell out by maybe the 2nd or 3rd, so they're only available for the first couple of days every month. So the next box will be coming out soon in case you want to go and see what the themes are. But yeah, I hope you liked the video anyway. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.